Hello, this is a quick video on how to center logos on t-shirts when printing with vinyl using Vinyl Mastercut. This is the first step to making logos centered on shirts when printing vinyl on t-shirts. Using your vinyl cutter to make center lines will make it much easier to print when the time comes. To do this, you want to simply click over here on the general power shapes. You want to left click. And you want to go over to square and you'll left click again, and then while holding the left click you will stretch it to whatever size you want. Now I typically make it the same color as the logo just to make it easier when the vinyl cutter is actually cutting. So go ahead and stick that right here. Then we'll copy and paste and bring it down here. Copy and paste one more time. Now here's how you center it. You will go ahead and left click, go all the way around the logo, and once you see that it's all within the box, you can right click over the logo. So make sure you right click. Go down to Object and Display Tools. Go up to Alignment. And then you'll make sure and click Align Centers Vertically. Now make sure and watch the screen what it does to the logo when I click this. And that just centered it. Now make sure before you do anything else, you go to Group. That way it'll stay centered if you happen to move the logo. So like I said, click Group. And now it's centered and you're ready to go. You'll peel those lines off of the vinyl sheet after the vinyl cutter cuts the vinyl, but the needle should cut into the sticky plastic sheet so you can see it on the shirt by shining a light on where you're printing the logo with the heat press. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something, and we will continue to be coming out with more videos about making shirts in the future. Please subscribe if you like this video.